Kisii awasiritwe rero Gavana we county ya Kisii Wakulima Arati abakago cyakyo muroberi obwoko na ekemeri avocado ya has eyo ekyochire ase ensemo ya ATC bunenchire ya moyo gukinia oburemi imeye county ya Kisii
okwana mune chinyomba cyo buraliani gwarati boiganyare ko bakweneke bune serikali yine chikobaye kweneke nyare ko baye korigia echira nene chinse chisiko una enchira eyemo yogukinia ekerengo gyo kwenyorera rigesa kurwa ase obonia bwechi avocado echo buna gutumanya muri kito Mildred Mumanyi.
Gavana we county ya Kisii Arati gakubwatana na sekta y'oburimi ni gacha kyabene omoroberi bwo kwena na chimbusuro cye avocado chimayagaze buna hasa avocado ekyo kiri buchimya iberego kya sabalimi ime county ya Kisii asogo cyo gusimeka engake gayembura bunenchera ya moyo gokinya sekta y'oburimi naboigo abalimi kyogendererya asa magimabo abotambe.
We are launching the distribution of hash avocado seedlings to our farmers for planting during this rainy season. The seedlings have been nurtured here at ATC in an initiative out of partnership between the county government of Kisii and the European Union through the EU Ideas projects. The global level demand for avocado fruit has increased remarkably in recent years due to the growing consumer awareness of the potential health benefit of the fruit, hence the need for us to take advantage. First production cycle, the fruit tree nursery had a capacity of 200,000 avocado seedlings. But moving forward, it is anticipated that the capacity will increase and accommodate banana plants, coffee seedlings, which is Royal 11 variety, to support those respective value chains. And I want to repeat that what we are distributing now out of our nursery, it's 200,000 seedlings.
Nigo omugavana aina kebuna nonye nabo abalemiti baligo kyakoborwa echiro enga kibono county ya Kisii ebwate ekegwanda kyogosi kya avocado asokorosya ebinto binde ebinge.
But we have the potential to produce more than 60 metric tons per acre annually, translating to, in this regard, the county government of Kisii has established an avocado factory to address the challenges. The fruit tree nursery here at ATC was established at a total cost of 7.5 million. It has been duly registered and certified by Kenya Planter Health Inspectorate, that is KEFIS, which gives credence to the quality of seedlings being distributed. It's important to note that the only certified organization in the country which certifies fruits is KEFIS.
Sechinga kechyo nigo abalimi basaba gwesokya na koiranerera ekemeri kya avocado ekyagera nigo ebwateri gesaligiya nabo igo nigego konya ase amagima y'abalimi abange.
Nesinga ekemeri eke kebwate kibesa abalimi baminto kumuranje toimisa abantu baito babeke ekemeri eke ekyaya arosire. Bali mumanye tumubwate ekyaya tubwate kifamu kinene ya arosire. Mwale wanja mo na checha akeigo nekemeri eke nakero gesororo ege koleta masao yechibesa kire igoro mono nare ngo mu kibu America musonde avocado yemeko $15 $15 konye calculate ine ya Kenya na ne karolebe kristika ya Kenya $15 ya avocado yemo ya ruwa igo igwete ne kibesa nge ko ni wali kya Kenya kiri bubere na motu ange almost 3000 ya avocado yemo.
Nigo abalimi ime county ya Kisii bagokeire okwaegwa chimbusuro kya hasa avocado eliko chigosimeka moto yogo chikonyora lige saligiya asensemo ya avocado. Ngolipotera egetaseni kya Ndizi TV kurugaiga asensemo ya ATC eletaliane Mildred Mumanyi.